Hi witches, so it is my favorite time of the month. It is time to unbox my Witch Wednesdays Sabbat box unboxing thing. This is just a really fun video for me to do. I've always wanted to do unboxings. When I was growing up on the internet, that was a very popular thing to do. I watched every Graveyard Girl video ever. So yeah, I just like doing these, so I hope you guys don't mind them. So I got my little box here and I'm going to just open it right up. I pre-opened it a little bit with scissors. And of course, right on top, we have the like explanation card. So it gives you a little bit about the Sabbat, a recipe card, a ritual card. It has ribbons, a flower crown headband, so stoked, a brass bell, an altar cloth, a gemstone tree, a green candle, rainbow sage, which I have to double check. I think it is common sage, not white sage. And so that is a sage bundle with dried rose petals, crystal chips, tumbled crystal, yay, and an oracle card. So I'm going to just start by opening everything up. So it has a little readout about Litha, and I know we did a video about this already, but if you guys haven't seen it, go back and check that out. We talked all about Litha. I'm very excited for Litha this year, and if you watch my video, you know why. So yeah, I'm trying to make sure this is just one card. Okay, so this says, also known as Midsummer, Litha is the summer solstice celebration of the longest day of the year before the days begin to shorten again as we head towards autumn. It marks the pinnacle of the sun's power to fuel the growing season, and the earth is fertile and abundant. In Wiccan tradition, the goddess is pregnant and the sun god is at the height of his virility. Litha falls between June 20th and 22nd in the northern hemisphere and December 20th and 22nd in the southern hemisphere. So, yes, a lot of my videos in the Wheel of the Year are kind of geared towards northern hemisphere witches. I'm sorry, but it's the seasons that we're in. So yeah, got a little card that's going to go into my Book of Shadows. I have a recipe for honey and lavender cookies, which is really funny because I actually made these for Beltane, but that is really cool. I'm going to check those out. Not these exact ones, obviously, just something similar. And then let's see, Litha. This is not magic for good luck, so it has to do with the ribbons and the flower crown. I haven't really talked about not magic, but like as a seamstress witch, I feel like it is kind of, you know, up my alley or whatever. So we'll definitely be checking that out and trying that out. So got all my little cards here. And now for the fun stuff. Okay, so right on top, honestly, is the flower crown, and I'm very excited about that. It's like a little headband, and it's really cute, and I'm probably gonna wear it for the rest of the video. Can I? Oh, I feel like a little goddess. Look at that. I'm just happy as a clam. I know that's really silly, and I feel like this is very like Tumblr 2012, but who cares? I love it, and I love Renaissance festivals and stuff like that. So, flower crown, there we go. Ta-da! Yay. I'm gonna be messing with this the entire video, just so you know. So the next thing we have in here, yeah, so I got to pick out a, like, tree, like a specific stone, or a tree made of specific stones. So this is probably going to go on my altar, maybe like with the rest of my crystals. But I chose, oh no, I know what I'm going to do with this. I chose rhodochrosite, and I'm going to put this on my self-care altar. So it has like a bunch of little branches, and you got to like unfold them a little bit. And it's really pretty. And ta-da, little tree, little tree. So yeah, this is gonna go on my self-care altar in my room next to my bed. So if you guys don't know, rhodochrosite is very good for self-care and self-healing and like calm. So ta-da, rhodochrosite. Okay. So the next thing we got, oh, it looks like there's two things in here actually. There's 3 things in here. Excellent. The first thing I got was a tumbled tiger's eye, and this I'm actually going to put on my altar to bast, which is in my living room. And it's really pretty. I always like tiger's eye. I think just like the way they catch the light is really cool. So yeah, that's gonna be an offering to bast just right off the bat. I like the shape. I think it looks really cool. Kind of looks like a claw. This is definitely going on that altar for bast. Yeah. The next thing is this tiny brass bell. It's actually a lot louder than I thought it was going to be, but it is really nice. I'm probably going to like hang this up like above my altar, or maybe have it on there. I actually want to get like a really big bell, just for sound cleansing and all of that, which we're going to talk about when we talk about air magic. But this is actually a really nice little starter like piece for, especially for beginner witches or witches who might be in the broom closet. is a bundle of sage. And again, I'm going to check and see if this is white sage. If it is, I'm probably just going to bury this because I don't feel comfortable using it. But there we go. Has like all these really beautiful like rose petals on it. So it's really colorful and really pretty. I'm not super into rainbows and stuff, but it's nice. And it's for like the season. So, you know, as soon as I check the sources of that, we'll see if we're going to use it this year. And I got myself a little green candle here, which I think is for one of the spells. So on the little printout, it says green is traditionally associated with Litha because green is the color of the earth and growth, therefore the color of abundance, fertility, and earthly possessions. So got myself a little green candle, very excited about that. So these are actually really cute. I'm actually very, very excited because they're jars. Like I just love a good jar. So this one is full of citrine. They all have like little tiny like crystal chips in them. And I'm honestly going to be using these, I think, for like these little chips for spell jars. So we have garnet, moss agate, which is great for plants if you're a green witch, fancy jasper, also great for plants, and citrine, also great for plants. So these are all associated with Litha, it looks like, and which makes sense actually. Looking at all of them, they all kind of have to do with like the sun or the earth and stuff like that, which is very Litha. So I will be definitely adding them to my like bookshelf, but yeah, look how cute they are. They have like little stoppers. They look like very mystical, like little potion bottle thingies. I like them. You can put these in charm bags or spell bags or just kind of have them. I think I'm just going to keep them to look at because they're very pretty, but we shall see. Okay, so the next thing is the ribbons that are for the spell jars, which is actually really cool because having to go out and buy like all of this ribbon just to like do one spell is kind of silly. So yeah, here's some ribbons and I'm very excited about this. I will be doing some not magic for sure. So yeah. Okay, the final thing, second to last thing that is in the box that I am very excited about is something that I have kind of been like, I've always wanted kind of, but like never bought because I'm like very silly. But anyways, they sent a very cool altar cloth, which I am very excited about. I'm going to press it and actually put it up above like my my bookcase, like as a almost like a flag kind of thing. So I'm gonna sew this part down, probably just like make a little hem or find another way to hang it up. But anyways, it has the moon and a pentacle on it, and it is really pretty, and I got to pick the color, so I chose red. And I think that just looks really, really cool. So I am so stoked about this. This is awesome. And if you don't have an altar cloth, this is like very cool. This is like a nice size. It actually, I think, fits on my altar, so I might use it during Litha. But yeah, altar cloth. I keep like meaning to buy one, but anytime I go to a metaphysical store, I'm like, no, I should like find this somewhere or make it myself. And that's really silly because I never do. So altar cloth, yay. And if not, I'm probably not going to use that regularly. I'd probably like, I want one that's like black and silver. But it's a really beautiful decoration and I'm very excited to have it in my house. Like, yes. So yeah, and then finally an oracle card that is picked for me. This oracle card is Double Mission, which is very cool. I don't know what deck this is from, but the card is really pretty, and I will also be putting this in my Book of Shadows. But it says, Lightworker Starseed, serve the world by being you. So, hello, this is me. This is what I do. I hope you guys like this video. Speaking of my oracle card, I hope you guys don't mind this. I actually, like, it is really hard for me to buy myself witchcraft stuff, so, like, for whatever reason, I have to justify it in like, I'm using this in a video. So yeah, I'm using this in a video and it was really fun. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did, and I hope everyone has a fabulous summer solstice. I'll see you guys later. Bye.